last section, locus, exercise 1A, 2 problems completed. Now with this section, we'll continue. What is the question given? Find the equation of locus of a point P such that the distance of P from the origin is twice the distance of P from A 1, 2. Here, one locus of a point P is there. I don't know that locus of point. So what you write first step? Let locus of the point. Let locus of the point P x1, y1 if you consider. Next step, what are the given points? Given points are A, one point given by the origin. So 0, 0. Another point given like a B if you take, otherwise this is A 1, 2 if you consider already given. Second point B origin if you take 0, 0. Then side if you draw by the small diagram x1, y1, here A 1, 2, this one if you take 0, 0. So origin is the distance of the P from the origin is twice the distance of P from A 1, 2. That meaning is PB equal to 2 times of PA. That means this length, how much is there? Twice of this length. That one represented as by PB equal to PA. Then how to will write? What is the distance formula? Root of x1 minus 0 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square equal to 2 times of root of PA. x1 minus 1 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square. x1 minus 0, x1 square plus y1 square equal to 2 into root of expand. x1 square minus 2x1 plus 1 plus y1 square minus 4y1 plus 4. Now remove the roots on both sides. How to remove that means squaring on both sides. x1 square plus y1 square equal to 2 square, 4 into x1 square minus 2x1 plus 1 plus y1 square minus 4y1 plus 4. Take all values into the one side. That meaning x1 square plus y1 square, 4x1 square come to this side, minus 4x1 square minus 8x1 come to this side, plus 8x1, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 4s are 20, come to this side, minus 20, minus 4y1 square, 4 4 16 minus, so 16y1 equal to 0. Simplify the equation. x1 square minus 4x1 square, 3x1 square, y1 square minus 4y1 square, minus 3y1 square plus 8x1 plus 16y1 minus 20 equal to 0. If you take minus common, 3x1 square plus 3y1 square minus 8x1 minus 16y1 plus 20 equal to 0. If you take by the locus of the point is Px1, y1, so required equation, therefore required equation for the given condition, remove the x1, y1, that place you rewrite x, y. That meaning 3x square plus 3y square minus 8x plus 8x, minus 8x minus 16y plus 20 equal to 0. It is the required equation for the given condition. Now see the fourth question. Find the locus of the point which is equidistant to the coordinate axis. So one point is there, one locus of the point will take. That one, let locus of the point Px1, y1 if you take. Then if you take a coordinate axis, it is the x-axis, x dash, y, y dash. One locus of the point I am taking here, that point Px1, y1. Now this distance, if you take it as by x1, automatically this length also x1. Now this length, if you take y1, that meaning is y1. Now the distance from y-axis, from the y-axis, I am taking distance from the y-axis, that equal to modulus x1 if you take. In the same manner, the distance from x-axis, if you take, there is that point, if you take it as the distance of the locus of the point to the x-axis, how much length? That equal to modulus of y1. According to the question, point which is equidistant to the coordinate axis, that meaning is that both lengths will be equal. From the condition, what you take there means modulus x1 equal to modulus y1. Modulus x1 equal to modulus y1. Then remove the modulus, that meaning if you take squaring on both sides, what will come there means x1 square equal to y1 square, then automatically x1 square minus y1 square equal to 0. Remove the x1 y1, if you rewrite x comma y, therefore required equation, what will come? X square minus y square equal to 0. Now see the fifth question. Find the equation of locus of a point equidistant from a2, 0 and the y-axis. Now this type of question, how to solve that means, first step as usual you write, let be the locus of the point, Px1, y1 if you take. Then what is the given point? Given point is a2, 0. Here what is the given condition there means? The distance from P to A, that means PA length how much will be is there, same of the equidistant from the y-axis. Y-axis side distance how much will come means, before problem already explained. From the y-axis if you take there means, for suppose here point Px1, y1. From the y-axis there means that length will be x1. So x1 that length. So squaring on both sides, PA square equal to x1 square if you take. Then distance formula if you apply, x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square equal to x1 square. x1 square minus 4x1 plus 4 plus y1 square equal to x1 square. Then x1 square get cancelled, minus 4x1 plus y1 square plus 4 equal to 0. Remove the minus, that meaning 4x1 minus y1 square minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore required equation, in the place of x1, y1 you write only 4x minus y square minus 4 equal to 0. It is the required equation. If if you like this video, please share, subscribe, comment. Continue if you want. That means subscribe, automatically you are getting the new notifications. Thank you.